So we will discuss in the last sessions. Last sessions we need to go for the integrations only. Address means, okay, so you see, whenever you're working in a company, you don't give a personal email ID. That is not the correct thing. Company email only you need to provide there. Okay, so must and should company email needs when the company, the AD people, when we create that email account to you, then it will be syncing the data to the Servicenow. Understanding, Farhan?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay. Now today we will discuss about the groups concept. Raghavendra, is everybody there? Can I start the session? Fine. Okay, now we can discuss about the groups. So coming to groups level. So normally yesterday discuss about the, so what is meant by group? Some couple of people or some multiple users will be combined together, join, form a single group. That is considered as a group. Okay. So what is the use case of creation of the groups means here? Suppose I need some 100 people. I need to add the ITL role to the 100 users. So how can I add? So just I open each user account, like 100 user accounts need to add the role means it will take nearly it will whole 1 day will last. Definitely. That is not the correct process as well. So just we need to create the group. We can add all the 100 users to the group. Just we can provide the role to the group. The role will be applicable to all the group members. It's 100,000, even 1 lakh as well. Okay, that is the main advantage of the group. Not only the adding the role to the group, and also I need to trigger some notification. Notification nothing but the email. Okay, just I need to send the email to the Servicenow group members, or I need to send the email to Java group members. Just I add the group. That notification will trigger to all the group members. Or I need to send an approval to the group members. Okay, everything will be comes under the comes under this group creation of the groups only. Okay, so that is the main advantage of the group. I need to trigger a approval, I need to trigger a notification. Okay, just we need to create the group. We can add the members to the group. How can we create the group? Go for the new. Just go for the type left navigation the groups. Under user administration, click at the groups. Okay, click as a new. Okay, here we need to add the group. Okay, suppose I am adding some. Assume that ITIL Oracle users. The users are belongs to Oracle department. So those people, some couple of users need to add the ITIL. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay, now you need to give the management. You can give the manager. You need to give the group email means you can give the group email as well. For Oracle department, for all the group members, one default email is there. Okay, assume that. Suppose is there means you can give the group email. Okay, this parent I will tell you. Wait for some time. Okay, just you can give the name. You can give the description. So what is the use case of? Okay, list of Oracle users are ITIL. Just you can save it. Now here, after saving this record, see here, roles, group members, groups, manage subscriptions is there. Okay. First, you can add the users. So when I click on the group members, here we need to add the users in this group. New is there, edit is there. Okay. New is there, edit is there. Okay. So new means creation of the new user record for this group. Edit means we need to add the existing users. Click as a edit. Just I'm adding some blind on the users. Okay. Can add some other user as well. Okay. Just you can save it. Come down and save it. Or you can click here as well. Just you can refresh the form. It will take some time. Fine. So just we need to add the users. Okay. Now open any randomly any two users. Check it which role the users are there. See, this guy has the no role, ESS role, and this guy also maximum has the ESS role. Okay. Now what can I do means I will add the go for the roles, edit. I will add the ITIL. Both roles I will add it. ITIL and ITIL underscore admin. Save it. Okay. Just you can refresh it once. Done. See. And now you can refresh these users. Let's see. These users needs to add the roles. See, automatically the roles are there. ITIL underscore the remaining child roles. See, all the roles should be added here. See, like this I can create row members as well. Okay, that is the main best practice of creation of the groups. Definitely interview will ask the question, what is the best practice of creation of group means? Just we can add the role to the group. The role will be applicable to all the group members. Okay. Now, right now, is it okay? Okay. Well, here groups is there. Okay. This one I will tell you. So before discussing these groups related list, you can discuss the parent. Okay. Here, parent means here we need to add some parent group. So what can I do means I'm adding parent group as a suppose I can add some. I'm adding network group as in that. Okay. So whenever I'm adding a network group, what are the roles are available in that network group? The role should be copied to the child group as well. See, This is the parent. Okay. So must and should, this is the parent mean must and should ITL Oracle should be child. This is the parent mean must and should child is there. So what are the roles are available in this parent table? All roles should be applicable to this child as well. Okay. Let's check that roles. Okay. I'm opening this network. Open the record. Okay. Only group members only is there. Nothing roles is there. Just we add that role. Suppose I'm adding admin role. Let's see. Like I'm adding admin role. Okay. I'm adding admin role to this group. See, this admin role will be copied to child group as well. Let's save the form. Inheritance. What are the activities are available in parent table should be replicated to child as well. See. Let's check it. See, the role will be added to admin as well. This child group. So this is the parent means automatically this should be child is there. Okay. Now we can test it. This user, see, before it is total 42 roles are there. You can refresh it. Let's see. This user will be automatically the admin role will be applicable because of this user is belongs to ITL Oracle users. See, 68 roles are there. See, admin role is there here.
Pandu, when we adding and roles to the this one child group, so both the roles will be there, right? So initially we have added some roles to the child group.
Yes.
Then we have
Yes.
added the parent group to the child group. So
Yes.
the child group will be having both the initial, I mean, the original roles which we had been added and the parent role as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So just I added a parent group one role. That the role will be copied to child group as well because of inheritance here. What are the activities are available in parent table that should be replicated to child as well.
Okay.
Okay. So up to here clear. So
Yeah,
clear,
fine.
guys.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Now coming to these groups. Here also groups is there, right? Click on here. Let's see here. You can observe parent equal to ITR. Means this is the parent for this one. Suppose I will create any group here. This group is considered as a child group. This is the parent. For this group, parent is the network. Same process. So now what happened, right? I will create one group here. What are the activities are available? This parent group, it should be replicated to child as well. So what are the activities are available? This group, it is replicated to this child group as well. Okay. So just I will create one more group. So assume that the group name should be Servicenow ITIL users. Assume that just our Servicenow users. Can give some Servicenow users it. Don't go ITIL anything. See, parent record automatically should be there. This we can submit it. Let's see. See, I'll open the Servicenow users. See, automatically 3 roles will be copied here. Okay. For this service parent is the ITL Oracle users. For ITL parent is the network group. Okay. Chain process. So for network chain group is the ITL Oracle user. For ITL Oracle chain group is the Servicenow users. Okay. So this is the chain process will be there. So what are the activities are available in parent group? It should be replicated to child as well. Okay. This is the concept of overall groups. Any doubts is there here?
No.
Up to here?
No problem.
Okay, fine. Yep. Now we can enter into the one more topic. Yesterday we Abhishek, right? Yesterday we created ITL role. See, Abhishek has the ITL role. Yesterday we gave the ITL role. See, this guy has the delete option is not available. This guy has the delete option is not available. But we can impersonate the ITL underscore admin users. Delete option is available. There is the only difference is there. ITL people can be create the record, update the record, but he cannot delete the record. But ITL underscore admin role people will be can create the record, update the record, delete the record. That's the difference is there. Okay. Definitely this type of questions also interview will ask. Okay. Now, very important topic we can discuss about the tables. Put the heading as a tables. Put the heading as a tables. Okay, type definition tables. Under system definition, can click as the tables. Write down the definition about the tables. Okay. So write down this definition. A table is a collection of records. Write down this definition. That is only for your instance only.
Okay.
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 So
fine.
see, suppose you are working on the cognizant. Assume that.
Okay.
Okay. Your data will be there in the cognizant only, not as Infosys.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Infosys are using Servicenow, Cognizant are using Servicenow, but their own licenses will be there. Their own access will be there.
Yes.
Okay, they can't able to see the another company of the data.
Okay.
Okay. So like this way, whenever you are creating an instance with your mail ID, you register the one instance. The data will be there in your instance only.
Okay.
Okay, it is not replicated to all the instances.
Okay.
Okay. So done, guys. Write down the definition completed. Now, what is the table means? Suppose incident is on form. Okay. Or problem is one form. Okay. Or user is one form. Group is one form. Okay. So whenever I open the instance, I am able to see all the fields. Every field has different types is there. Whenever I am able to open the problem, I am able to see all the fields. Every field has different types is there. Okay. When I'm able to open the user, some fields are there. Means I need to design this form. Means first of all, I need to create the table. Then only the form will be created. After creation of the form, then we need to design the fields. Okay. So like this form, now we can design. Okay. Now I'm designing one form. Our name should be health insurance. Okay. Suppose we are working on HDFC, right? Just you can give the HDFC health insurance. Okay, just I'm designing one form. I'm giving the label name. Let's see. Whenever I'm giving the label name, okay. So see, automatically the name should be forwarded. U underscore HDFC underscore health underscore insurance. Okay. This is the backend name. Okay, you can observe U underscore means user, means custom. So what are the activities are created? So what are the things, what are the fields we can create or tables we can create? So definitely start with the U underscore. U means user. This table is created one of the user, not a system generated. Okay. See, so I click as subcategory. So right click means I can able to see the field name. This is the backend field name. See here, U underscore subcategory is not there. Only subcategory is there. Means these are out of box fields, system generated fields. But what are the fields we created? Those things as the custom fields. Okay. Now the name is automatically populated. See, extend table, I will tell you. Wait for some time. Next, create module. I enable this means, so suppose I click as a incident or problem, whatever we see. This is the incident application. Create new, assigned to me, open, unassigned, resolve. These all are the modules in Servicenow. These all are the modules. Like the same way for HDFC health insurance also, we need to create the module means enable this one. Then we can able to get the chance to create the module. Okay. Next, create mobile module. Okay. So for this, so in the for mobile also we can able to work on Servicenow. So that so the chance is that we can enable means the mobile feature also enable. Okay. Right now we are not using any mobile. We are focusing on desktop level. Okay. Next, add module to menu. Whenever the table is created, one default module is added. The module name should be HDFC health insurance. That is a new module. So that's why the create new is there. Suppose I will add here in the place of create new. Suppose I will add here problem. Okay. So now what happened means under HDFC health insurance, the problem module is created. The name with the problem module is created. When I click on the problem records will be open. I need this HDFC health insurance records only. So that's why we can go with the create new. That's it. Now come down. Here we need to add the fields. Here we need to add the fields, or after designing, after submitting this table, we can open the form. There we can add the fields. That is the best practice. Go to controls. Okay. Now I'm clicking at this extensible. So what happened? I click on this extensible means this HDFC health insurance is extended to some other table. Like suppose task is the parent table. Task is extended to incident, problem, change, service, child tables. What are the activities are available in the task? It is replicated to remaining child table as well. Okay, like the same way how it is copying from parent to child means because of this extensible. Okay, suppose HDFC extension to some other child tables. After creation of this table, designing the every fields, we can create another child table. Okay, under the child table, we can add this extend table there. Okay, now what are the activities are available? This HDFC health insurance, it is copied to child, that remaining other child table as well. That is a use case of extensible. Okay, wait for some time. I will add another child table. Then you can clearly understand this use case of this extensible. Okay. Now live it. So you can enable or disable, nothing will be there. Okay, you can leave it this option. Now auto number. Auto number means, see, when I am creating the incident, automatically it is populating INC some digits number. Creating the problem. So first 3 letters it is taking, remaining other digits. So number field will be defaultly, whenever you can enable this means the field number field will be defaultly created. The number also it will as a HDF, remaining other digits, 7 digits will be there. HDF 00000100 like that. Okay. Now user role. Okay. So whenever the table is created, automatically for this table role also created. Suppose I am the admin. Okay, I am the admin. I created this table. I have the access. Some other people, ESS people or ITL people will also want this table access means just you can provide the role to the user. Automatically, that guy will be able to access this table. Okay, fine. Now application access. So this one also. So we can not require right now. Just leave it. Whatever the out of box is, just leave it. Right click and save it. Let's see. Okay. Now refresh the browser once. Now you can search this table name HDFC. See, health insurance module is created. Open this one. Click here. New. See, a number field is created defaultly. That is fine. Okay. Now here we need to create the fields, guys. First you can create the table. After creating the table, you can refresh the form. You can refresh the browser. Then you can search our left navigation menu. Here the table will be open here. Okay. Now here we need to design the fields. See here, every field has some different types is there here. See, color, search. This color you can type should be reference. Like the search options is there, right? So those type you can call as a reference. See, color, service offering, service configuration item, assignment group, assigned to this. All are the reference types. This one is the choice types, drop downs. Okay. Now right click, configure form layout. Okay. So how can you design the fields means go to menu bar. Again, I'm telling, give right click, go to configure and form layout. Okay, here we can design the fields. Okay, so come down and add the fields here. Just I'm giving first name. So type should be here. See, I click on the type. So many types are there. Okay, but all the types we didn't use it. Okay, so maximum some less number of types only you can use based on our requirement. Okay, but I will tell you some couple of types. First name string type. Next, string means some text box level. Last name, and you can go with manager. Okay, manager I'm giving as a reference type, like such. Manager is nothing but the user, right? I need the list of users. So reference type, table to reference. So I'm giving as a user table. sys_user. Add it. So reference means suppose here, see, caller is reference to user table. That's why I'm searching on here. See, list of users are displayed here. Okay. Assignment group is reference to users here. See. So assignment group is reference to group table. So that's why all the groups are displaying here. Okay. So service is reference to CMDB_CA table. See, all the service records are displaying here. Means whenever we are designing the reference means whatever the table you can give, that list of users, that list of records are displaying there. Okay. Now can give state, choice. Choice means like drop downs. City. Okay. Next. Okay. Just now can give the split option. So split means they divide the fields. See, left side some fields are there, right side some fields are there. Means here we are giving a split option. Okay. Now I'm giving the split, so you can add some due date. Okay. And
Mobile number.
Sorry. So this is the choice, right? So I need the due date as a date and time field. Okay. I'm removing this one. Okay. Okay. We will change it later. I will tell you how can we change it. Suppose I added a choice here. I need to change the type. After creation of the field, I need to change the type. I will tell you how can we change it. This logic also is important. So mobile number. Give the string type. Okay, and
Email.
yeah, we'll give it calculation. Okay, and you can give for integer. Integer means you count the number. Let's see. Okay, and email. String type. Okay, and can go with active, true or false. Okay, and next.
Employee ID.
Yeah, insurance department. Okay. So yeah, we will go with the list. Okay, just you can add the list, same underscore department name, table. So departments all the storing same underscore department. Okay, now I will add it. Okay, finally give the end split. Okay, and here you can add some summary string. Okay, medium 100. Next large, something description. Now you can save it. Let's see how the fields are there. See how can we design these things? See? Okay, now suppose I add the due date as a choice type. Suppose due date I need to change the date and time type. Okay, so how can we change it here? So go for the tables. You need to modify means go for the tables. Under system definition, click at the tables. Okay, search our HDFC. So health insurance, open the table, create a table. Then see all the fields will be available in these columns. Okay, so search the due date. So here due date, here type is showing the string, but it is not a string. Just see here we need to modify it. Just double click, remove it and search it. See all the types should be there. Our type should be the search date and type. We can date type. That's it. Anyway, see this created by class, created by updated. These are the system tables, system generated tables. See here into mark are not there. We can't delete it. These are system generated tables. Default out of box fields. These are the okay, but it is not available in the form. But it is there. But these all are we created custom fields. See, if you want to delete means just you can click as a mark, the field will be deleted. Okay, just you can save it, refresh it. It is not coming. 1 second. Okay. Let's go for right click, go to configuration, search it here. Why it is not there? So definitely it should be happen for need to change the date and time level. Okay. Suppose if you didn't change it, suppose it didn't change it, just go for the form layout, just you can remove it in the form. Okay, just you can create some other field, start date, like that. So give the now date and time. That's it.
Panu, instead of removing that, can't we delete the due date?
You can delete it. You can delete it. But I told you, right?
Oh,
Delete is not as a best practice.
okay.
If you want to delete means just you can go for the tables here. Just you can delete it. Nothing will be there.
Okay.
That's it. Mark for deletion. The field will be deleted.
Okay.
Okay. But my choice the delete is not on my choice. Overall Servicenow is the telling that delete is not as a best practice.
What if we want only the due date column only?
If you want due date means just otherwise you can go for the tables and delete it again. You can add it.
Okay.
Okay. But most of all, just we can remove that in the form. See
Okay.
what are the fields are available. You can go for the right click, configure, form layout. See, selected means it is available in the form. Okay, available. These are the out of box. Suppose I no need this calculation field means don't delete it. Just you can remove it. Because of in future you need to add means just you can add it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, definitely this type of requirement will come definitely. So I need this field on the form. Just you can bring up in the form. I don't need this field in the form. Just you can remove it. That's it. But it is there in this table only. But it is not available in the form. That's it.
Okay. We can shuffle this split also
Yes.
from this side to this side.
Yes.
Start date and- Okay.
I can shuffle it. Start it this side. You can remove this side. That's it. You can go up and move it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So here I created it, and see these drop downs. I need add the drop downs. How can I add the drop downs? Means just select the field, right click, go to configure choices. Okay. So those are the state field, right? So I'm adding the states, some states. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Okay, just I'm adding some things. Suppose means here some drop downs is there. How can I add the drop downs means like this way you can add the drop downs. Simple. See? Fine. Some same city names. So you need to add means just select the field, right click, go to configure choices. You can city names like I'm adding Vizag, Kadapa, and Hyderabad, Warangal. We can add Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, just sorry, Chennai. See, so my requirement is suppose when I select the Andhra Pradesh, I need here only related Andhra Pradesh cities only. Not I don't need to show all the city names, all the state cities. I need related Andhra Pradesh cities only. When I selected the Telangana, I need related Telangana cities only. I selected to Karnataka, I need related Karnataka cities only. Okay, this concept we can dependent values. It will come in the next class. Okay, next class is the dependent values.
Pandu,
Yes.
client will need this type of particular fields.
Yeah, definitely. They will give the field name and field type as well.
Each and everything.
Each and everything type will be give.
Oh,
Suppose client will give I need manager.
okay,
So definitely you need to ask which type we need to create. You
okay,
need to get the clarity. Don't take the individual decisions
okay,
because client based on the client mindset only we need to prepare this type of forms.
okay,
Okay. Now I design the form here. Okay. When we observe incident form, see here, nodes, sections are there. So these things are called nodes, the related records, resolution information, these things are called sections. See, under nodes, some fields are there. Under related records, some fields are there. Under resolution information, some fields are there. Okay. These things you can call as sections. How can we create the sections means right click, go to configure, and again go to form layout. Here we need to add the sections. Go for new. So I'm adding sections. Some okay, and add some comments. And under sections, again we need to create some fields. See here, nothing fields are there. You can add some notes, and I'm giving type as a journal type. Okay, I will tell you what is the difference of the journal type and string type. Okay, and can save it. See, one section is created here. Okay, if you want some more section means see comments, under comments you can get some section. If you want some more section means configure, form layout. Okay, so insurance details, just name. Now you can add some C, employee ID. Okay, and bank account details. Okay, so just I'm adding some split level. Okay, so we can add some insurance date. We can add date and time. Issue photo. We can add some image level. Can end split. Address. We can add string type. Some length rate and go for the medium. Okay. Just you can save it. Let's see how the form will be designed. See how this form is designed. See, now we can type something. I'm giving as a Pondo. Okay, and I'm selecting my manager name. Example, Andhra Pradesh. And giving the start date. See, it is calculated something like this. Mobile number. This is my mobile number. Even a mail. That's it. Active insurance department. Yes, you can select that particular department. Unlock it, lock it. See here comments, see, main summary. Okay. Need health insurance. Just you can use something. You can use description. Comments, see here, summary description string type is there. So this is the journal type is there. But looking the same. So these fields are looking the same. But difference is, suppose in the string type I entered some text, means the text will be there in this box only. But journal type I entered some text, means the text will be saved under this box. It is removed in the box, the text will be saved under this box. Suppose whenever you can give some comment, you can in the Facebook or some other social media website, you can give any comment. YouTuber can give some comment. After entering some text, you can send the comment. The comment box will be empty, but the comment will be saved in the down or up will be there. Like the same way here also, the journal type fields. So whatever the text you can, it will be there. The text will be saved here in the down of the field. The box should be empty. Somebody needs to comment something. Okay. The extension determines you can give something.
Pandu, what is the use of lock symbol?
Means you can add multiple departments here. Multiple one.
At a time.
At a time, see.
Okay.
Multiple departments. But whenever go for this reference type, we can add only one record. But you can go for the list. The type should be list type. Okay. Multiple records you can add it here. Okay. Insurance date. Suppose can do something. Whatever these things. You can add photo, address, photo. Just you can submit the form. Health insurance. See, the record is created here. If you want to see all the columns, some important comments, go for settings and add the columns. That's it. Some of the columns. So I need some important thing. First name, last name, manager, and state, and city, employee ID. So I need some, what are the columns I need means this you can add the columns. You can able to see the details here only. Okay. Like this, we can submit these records. Okay. So this is the way you can create the tables. So next class, you can learn some, what are the extend table, what are the child table. Okay. And how can you fill these fields you can make it as a mandatory. See here, this the field as a mandatory here. How can we make field as a read only? How can we hide the fields? How can we set these default values? See, whenever you open the record, see category setting the default value, state is setting default value. Okay, how can you set default? Everything we can learn the next class. Okay, up to here clear, guys? Any doubts are there?
Yes, Pandu. Actually, we can create the fields in a column label also. Which one we are using mostly?
Mostly form layout level only.
Okay.
That is only best thing I use.
Okay, Pandu. Thank you.
Yeah. So okay, guys. So be practicing.
Pandu.
Yeah. Please.
Yeah, while adding state and city names, it is preloaded or we need to type each and every city and state?
It is a.
It is preloaded list are available in
Yes.
Servicenow, or
Suppose that also I will tell you later from next class. Suppose I open this record. Okay. Suppose here I will add 3 or 4 means of up to 5-10 minutes I will add it manually. Suppose we can see 100 cities.
Yes.
150 cities. How can we add? Okay,
Yeah.
they will provide one Excel sheet. Okay, in that sheet, all the city names are there.
Okay.
That sheet we are import from Servicenow. We are import to this here, this field. Okay, I will tell you next forward class how can you import the data from Excel table to Servicenow table. Those things.
Okay.
It will come. It will come to the import section. Okay.
Yeah. Pandu.
Yeah.
I know this class is supposed to be Monday through Friday, but it's actually Friday over there right now, and it's Thursday night over here.
Yeah.
So are we meeting tomorrow, or are we
No.
gonna meet Monday morning your time?
Monday morning my time, like Sunday night your time.
Okay, that's fine. I just wanted to make sure so I don't log in tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right,
So
thank you.
okay, guys. So Monday to Friday class is there. Okay. So don't waste the time. Supposed to
Is it a format?
form only, right?
So what is meant by form?
What do you mean by form means? See, suppose form is nothing but the ticket.
Okay.
In Servicenow language, you can call it the ticket. So I need to submit an incident ticket. Okay, submit the incident. I open the incident form, fill out the form or submit the ticket. I need to problem ticket. So fill out this problem form or submit the problem record. Problem ticket is created. So what I need for health insurance, I need to submit a ticket. Okay, so just I need to fill out this form or submit the ticket.
This format we will call it as form.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. No issues, guys. So